Meanwhile, let's bring in Rick Caruso. Caruso, founder and executive chairman who ran against Karen Bass for mayor of L.A. 2 years ago. Thank you, sir, for joining us. You caught our attention this morning with your analysis of the situation, saying this looks more like a third world country.
Well, first of all, thanks for having me on. It does look like a third world country. The devastation up in the Palisades area is so widespread. Most of the downtown is completely gone. One of my developments up there was damaged. It's still standing, which we're very grateful for, but obviously we're not sure what's going to happen because there's still fires around it. But most of the downtown is gone. Whole sections of neighborhoods are gone, as I heard on your report, schools, churches. What's amazing to me is how widespread a devastation this could have happened in a relatively short period of time. One of the things you reported was the lack of water and fire hydrants. I think there's a lot of tough questions that need to be asked on how it happened. Was the city adequately prepared? Knew the high winds were coming in? And to your point, I think John raised, the brush clearance in this area has not happened for decades. So although it started in a neighborhood, it quickly moved into the brush in the hills that are controlled by the city, the county, and the state. And it provided an enormous amount of fuel and just took off. And we really need to hold leadership responsible. Ask what they did and find out what they did wrong and hold people accountable.
In the meantime, this is survival mode, Rick.
Oh, it absolutely is. And, you're talking about $10 million homes and $30 million homes. Just to be clear, the majority of the businesses in the Palisades are independent small businesses. There is a far majority of homes in the Palisades that people have lived in for 30 or 40 years. It's not all wealthy people. And these are people that are going to be wiped out. There's businesses that are going to be wiped out. And this is what really saddens and angers me and frustrates me, is that the city has a sacred duty and obligation to protect people's lives and livelihood. And when you don't have water and a fire hydrant, you've got to ask some real tough questions on how the hell this could happen in a major city, the second largest city in the country.
We know we're about to hear from President Biden. He is with the governor right now. He's on site about to deliver remarks. My team can alert me when he begins. Here we go. We've got the video up. Rick, if you could stand by with us. Obviously, this is the leadership in the form of the governor, I should say, that you're criticizing. We'll see what he's been discussing with the president, what resources they're going to be able to deploy. I know, to your point, you're saying there are firemen on site in some cases that can't do anything because they don't have resources. They don't have the ability to fight these fires right now. It looks like he's got a map up. I believe we'll dip in here and listen to the president. Thank you.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.